Well, I've arrived just a few minutes before my client, so I'm going to try and show you what I'm looking at today. Over in Brookhaven, I'm standing at the front door, but that's just really special. Let's see how it goes. So we've got, oh wow, it's a full bathroom right at the front door. Lovely chandelier there. And we walk right into the kitchen. Beautiful lighting. Lighting all up in the shelves. Very high ceilings. Backsplash is beautiful against the granite. Now, if you know me, you know I love the lighting. So natural light and just the can lights, it's all working for me. It's all, I'm kind of over the gray. Gray has been done for several years now, but this is, it's working for me. Okay, so we've got another bedroom down here. I believe this is going to be the owner's suite. Yeah. Oh, and it looks right out onto the patio. Nice patio furniture and the big green egg. Okay, back to the bedroom. High ceiling, so I'm gonna believe that these ceilings are going up to like 12 feet. Really high. And here is the bathroom. Get this light on. There's another light back there. Nope. Okay. Let me stay focused, do one thing at a time. Again, the gray is working for me. So this is going to be the water closet back here. Yeah. Let me turn that light on too. High ceilings. Okay. Got a kitty cat here. See the kitty cat meowing? Nice pantry. So wait, refrigerator there. Did I pass a refrigerator? Okay, that's the bonus refrigerator. All right. And there they are pulling up there. So, thanks for watching.